Hello everyone, welcome back to another Photoshop video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to create a colored outline, like a yellow outline, a white border, a white outline, all these different terms you can use here for your images, especially for YouTube thumbnails like I've done here. I'm going to show you how to make it picture perfect. We're going to do it in Adobe Photoshop 2024, and I'm going to show you how to do it using the new contextual taskbar. All right, let's roll. So we've got an image opened up here on the contextual taskbar. You will see select subject. I'm just going to click that, and it's going to make a detailed selection of the person here. And if we go in nice and tight, we'll see that it's a pretty damn good selection. However, there is one piece that I would like to change a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go over here to the left side, grab the quick selection tool, and I'm just going to hold down the Option key on a Mac and the Alt key on a PC. And I'm just going to make sure that the selection is good. So something like that. And you can always just go over and make sure that it's done a good job filling in. Alt to delete, letting go, and just using it as is to add to it. Okay, I like the selection. The next step is you want to hold down the Command key on a Mac, Control key on a PC, and then press the letter J. When you do that, this is called layer via new copy. So we have gone ahead and created a new layer. So just the selection of the lady. Okay, good stuff. Now let's go back to the original layer. So I'm going to click back on layer 1 here. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to select subject again. And then this time, I'm basically going to do the same thing. I'm just going to make sure that it's nice and easy. And remember, there are multiple ways to do this, but this one is pretty good and it's pretty quick. And then presto, we've gone ahead and made the selection again. Now, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to add to this. So watch this. In the contextual taskbar, I'm going to modify selection. I'm going to expand selection. This is why this is so good. This right here is you can expand the thickness of the border that you want. So in this case, I'm going to go with 10 pixels, and watch this. You'll see here that it's now 10 pixels expanded out around the edge. Now this doesn't look right yet, but watch this. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hold down that same button here, and I'm going to fill it. So I'm going to go over here. Actually, let's go to this one here. Let's go to this little paint bucket, and then I'm going to go to fill color. And when I do that, I can now select the fill color. So I'm going to select bright yellow just for the heck of it, and then I'm going to click on OK. And then I'm going to click on OK again. And now look, we've gone ahead and done it. Now keep in mind that last piece that I showed you, the expand selection. If you wanted a thicker line, you could go with 20. If you wanted a very thin line, you can go with 5 pixels. That is literally all there is to it. Thanks for watching.